Hi guys, it's Saturday the 15th of June and I will do the weekly report of our service as usual. But I will switch over to the computer because it's easier to show you the results on the computer.
Okay, so I have switched over to my computer and logged into my FXbook account. And as you can see, we have done 19.29% since we started in late January. And if we want to see the last week's results, week 24, we can go over here to custom analysis and then choose June and from the 10th, week 24 to today, and we click on analyze. And then we can see that we did 0.62% profit this week. It's not the best week, but a plus is always a plus. So I'm happy and hope you also are happy about that.